how to send from Phantom Wallet to Trust Wallet. So basically what you're gonna have to do is, first of all, you're gonna have to either download the mobile app of Trust Wallet, so you can simply open Google Play or App Store and download their official app, or if you want, you can add the Chrome extension Brave, Opera, or Edge. And after that, what you're gonna have to do next is simply open your Phantom Wallet account. So as you can see, I have the Chrome extension, and then simply click on send. Then choose which crypto you want to send to your Trust Wallet, and then you're gonna have to simply enter. So let's say I want to send Solana from Phantom Wallet to Trust Wallet. So you're gonna have to go here and click on send, then select Solana, and then here enter your Trust Wallet Solana address. Then simply choose the amount and then simply confirm, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.